Okay, second file also done. Which one is the location over here? Which one? I said that cover site.xml. Now another file we need to be edit. Which one is again same location, C drive, Hadoop, etc. Hadoop. Okay, where the what is the file name? https hyphen site.xml. Okay, let's see that. Where is that? Again same location, but let me show you that location again back. I'm going in this PC C drive where I have to the over here that is called Hadoop, inside of etc. Hadoop, and again over here I want to be a figure out HTTPFS, and I think so hyphen env. Okay, see over here HTTPFS the hyphen site dot xml, right? HTTPFS hyphen site dot xml. So we need to be edit this one also. Let's go. We are going right click over here, open with the VS Code. Okay, I want to open with VS Code right now. See, it is open again back. We need to be a configure this file also. So what we need to be a configure over here, see the code are there. You can pause the screen and I'm providing to the code also to you. See over here, you can pause the screen, you can write this code also. See over here, I want to be a copy this and I'm paste it. So you can pause the screen and you can write the code which one you want. So control S saved is over here. This file also are added properly. Okay, I added the code. This is the configuration. Okay, whenever we want to be attach your Hadoop, your JDK with your system, we need to do this step, because what happened, your Hadoop is right now working directly with your hardware part. There is no any interaction part. Okay, so let me close it that we did this one also. Right now create a folder. Which one is the create one folder C drive Hadoop, and that name is to the data. Means what happened, we need to create one folder where we have to the inside of the Hadoop properly. Okay, so let's do we need to be a create in the C drive. Okay, C drive Hadoop folder. Okay, where we have to the data. Let's go inside of that. I will be go properly in this PC. After that C drive, over here we have to the Hadoop, and over here I will be creating one folder. That name is what? Data. Okay, so let me copy this folder. I will be create over here. So add folder name is the data. You can see data folder is there, and inside of the data folder I will be create another two folders. You can see inside of the data folder create two folders, that is called name node. Okay, one folder I will be created a name node, and second folder we need to create a data node. Okay, let me copy this one. Let me create another folder also, that is called data node. Okay, so what we did, we created inside of your Hadoop two folder, inside of your data two folder. One is the data node and one is the name node. Okay, when you finish that, go back to the location where is the C drive, Hadoop, etc. and Hadoop. Let's go to the over there, back step, back step, back step. This is your C drive, Hadoop. After that over here etc. Hadoop, and over here we will be do the another file changes. Which one is what? MapRed hyphen site XML. Okay, where is that? Map see map re hyphen env. But what is that? Env? No, not env. I want to be do to the map. See map red hyphen site dot xml. Map red hyphen site dot xml. We need to be edit that one also. Right click over here. After that open with your VS code. Okay, right now it's open, and again you need to be a configure some things. Okay, so which things we need to be a configure? See over here I already put it these things. Just take to this code as it is, control C copy. After paste it inside of this code, you can see configure. This one is we just doing to the configuration. So control S saved. Right now that file is properly saved. You can close that. Okay, then after go back to the location where is again back to the inside of the Hadoop, and change this one yarn hyphen site dot xml. Okay, so this one also we need to be changed. We are right now already in that folder. If you don't know the location, let me show you again back. C drive Hadoop, then again inside of your etc. Hadoop, and over here again we need to be search another file that is called yarn hyphen site. Okay, yarn hyphen sign, where is that? Okay, see yarn hyphen site dot xml. Okay, right click over here, open with again back your VS code. Okay, over here also we need to do the little bit configuration related to your yarn. Okay, so what is the configuration we need to do? Over here we need to put these properties. Okay, so let me copy this one, control C, copy. Again we are going over here and I want to be a paste that. Okay, so you can pause the screen and you can write these all things via your own hand, and don't worry, I will be hand overing this file to you so you can copy from over there also. Okay, so again control S, saved. Right now I'm closing back. Okay, now when you completing that, delete the Hadoop bin folder. Okay, means what happened, whatever we have to the over here the Hadoop folder, you can delete also. See, in this PC C drive, over here we have to the Hadoop bin. This bin if you are not using, still there is no problem, but if you want to keep as it is, you can keep as it is also. Okay, so I'm not deleting my bin folder. Okay, you can keep as it is also. Okay, so that exactly, or else if you can delete also, I don't think so it is getting problem. Let's try. If suppose I have the bin folder, I'm deleting. Even if you want, we can again take back also, because we have to the recycle bin. Okay, if suppose it's not working, then we can able to take back also. Okay, so right now I deleted that bin. You can see delete the Hadoop bin folder. Now download bin folder from this link. Maybe some file is not necessaries are there, that's why I'm giving one link to you. Okay, go over there and download bin folder. See, I'm clicking over here. Let me open that particular site. Okay, see over here Hadoop 3 bin folder we have, that we are want to be download. Okay, it started download. You can see it's rar file done also. Let's go to the over here in this PC, sorry, where we have to the download folder. Let me extract that. Right click, I want to be extract over here only, so I will be use extract here. Okay, so extraction done. This bin folder right now we need to move to the in our Hadoop. You can see, even if you can go over here, the same process we have. See, what is that? Extract Hadoop 3 bin folder log, like how last time they're in the bin same, right? So let's go over here. I will be take this folder as it is, so I'm cut from over here. I did the cut. I go again back to this PC C drive. Inside of the Hadoop, I will be paste that folder. Okay, so bin folder is again came back, which one we deleted because some files, necessary files are already inside of this bin. So follow that particular link. Then after when we done, so we completed our 20 step also. Now the 21 step. Okay, wait little bit. Now let's go. So basically we done this step 20 also, we extract properly. Then after we put it bin back again. Then now next step 21. Now go inside of your C drive Hadoop bin and try to run this file. Which file? WinUtil file. Okay. So we need to be open that file. Let's try it. So we are going properly inside of the this PC C drive where we have to the Hadoop. Then inside of a bin we have this file win until. Okay, if you can double click right now, you can see something. See, this is the error is coming, right? So if you don't want this error, we need to be a do something, some things. Okay, the follow these things. Let me show you. Right now this is error is coming. Now check it, what we need to see. See, now it is showing to the error, right? Okay, so what we need to do, we need to be a download MSVCR120DLL file from to the internet. Okay, so how we can do that? Simply we can directly copy this one. Okay, copy this one, what we want, control C, copy, go directly from to the internet. Okay, over here we need to be a download this file. See, 120cc, see ddl files over here freely. So click over here. Okay, then it will be showing to the somewhere that file. Okay, see the versions, let me see also properly. So is it there is any another option very easily? Download zip format, language is comparison, let me say 12 blah 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 version. So let me download this one. Is it not downloaded? No. So let me scroll down little bit. I want to be download. Okay, it is going to back again. Okay, see, it started. Done. So MSVC